Hello guys, hari ini kita bakalan explore Gunung Kembar yang ada di Kabupaten Biren. Posisinya di Cotgonban. Ini lagi prepare mau motret di sana.
I'm a man of three fears: integrity, faith, and crocodile tears. Trust me, darling. Trust me, darling. So look me in the eyes. Tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape. I don't wanna fake. Wish I could erase it, make your heart believe that I'm a bad liar. Liar. Never mean one thing. Is happiness lie in the diamond ring? Oh, I've been asking. Oh, I've been asking for problems, problems, problems. I wage my war on the wounds inside. I take my gun to the enemy's side. Oh, I've been asking. Oh, problems, problems, problems.